I'm going to take a few minutes here to show you our battery pack system of powering this Microbit. This battery pack is a rechargeable battery bank from Walmart. This is what it looks like out of the box, only we put Velcro on both sides. This is the hook side of the Velcro to this battery box. This is 2500 milliamp hours, it says, and 5 volts, which is perfect for us because with a cord, USB cord plugged in right here, that allows us to power our Microbit. This may look complicated, but all it is a breadboard. This demonstrates wires that come out for power and signal. I've got that right here on this Neopixel array of 16 Neopixels. This T expansion board is anywhere from $5 to $10 on the internet. The Microbit, either version 1 or version 2, plugs into this T expansion board. The cable comes in the box with this power bank. The edge connector matches the Microbit, so you can actually use this game console and connect both outputs like LEDs and sensors, like here's a thermometer sensor, or a display. Here's a OLED display. Connect all that either with Microbit or with the Kittenbot brand Meowbit, which has edge connector. Same layout exactly as the Microbit. That's how we do it. It's all pretty simple.